Matt Danskin snuck in on you over here.
Yeah.
Dude, that was a good pitch. You guys need to go check out this guy's stuff. It is revolutionary, and he is killing the game with it because it's. I mean, look at this. Look at this swag.
You want a T-shirt?
Yeah, of course I want a T-shirt.
Yeah.
I'll get one. Right. This is Matt Danskin though, and tell us a little bit more about Restoration Referral System and why a contractor has to have it.
Okay, so like I said, we're teaching roofing contractors how to get those referrals from insurance agents. It's probably most important why. There's so many lead sources out there. You can knock doors, you can buy leads that are produced online, that are phone leads, that are all those things. And really the difference is we're able to determine which carriers we're working with by which agents we choose. And so we're able to focus on the carriers that are going to pay claims more,
correctly, maybe? I don't know. Correctly?
Correctly? Yeah. Wild concept. And so, certain carriers that I won't list on here, their names, we just avoid altogether. And really any other lead generation source, I can't do that. So we get to choose what business we're doing. We come in as the trusted expert rather than begging for their business. And so it completely shifts the paradigm so that we can go in there, deliver really great quality for our customers without having to worry about wasting our time working for something that somebody's going to underbid us and steal our work.
Oh, makes sense, bro.
Yeah.
I appreciate what you're doing. You guys need to learn from him and get your people involved in his program, teach them. He does a phenomenal job of that. Matt, so good to see you, my friend.